Installation and commissioning. Low to medium kVA canopy gensets. Unloading. To lift the genset, use the hook provided on the canopy. Ensure that the lifting tackle is of sufficient strength for the DG load. Keep all personnel away from the DG set when in suspended position. Ensure the DG set is placed exactly at the center of the foundation so that uniform gap is maintained on all sides of the DG set. Genset should be placed considering wind direction and there should be no obstruction to natural wind flow. Ensure that the opening provided for fresh air inlet and hot air outlet are not blocked. Leave adequate space around for easy access to attend to the engine and genset's servicing needs. It is recommended that minimum 1 meter space be available on all sides. While placing the genset on the foundation, consider natural wind flow and place the genset in such a way that the natural wind flow and the generator fan wind throw direction are the same. Fresh air from the alternator side enters inside the canopy and hot air is blown out by the pusher fan from the radiator side. The direction of exhaust gas discharge should be the same as the radiator air throw direction. The difference between ambient temperature outside the canopy and that inside the canopy should not be more than 7 degrees. The gases must never enter back into the genset or enter into windows, doors or any such other areas. Improper ventilation will result in overheating of the genset, affecting its performance that may lead to higher fuel consumption. Take care to see that genset should be located away from polluted atmosphere. For humid or coastal atmospheric applications, anti-condensation heaters are recommended for alternator. General checks. Visually check the canopy for any damages and check the door locks. Visually check the base frame. Fix all parts which comes loose along with the genset. Align and fasten the exhaust bellows if required. Check the tightness of the AVM pad bolts, base frame bolts and radiator mounting bolts. Exhaust piping. Ensure that exhaust gas goes out to the atmosphere without obstruction. Exhaust piping run to rooftop should be through sound attenuated ducting. If additional exhaust piping is required, the exhaust pipe length should be as short as possible. Keep the number of bends minimum to ensure minimum back pressure. Excessive back pressure will result in poor engine performance. Always use smooth bends. Have a look at the table of bends. After noting down the number of bends and type of bends involved, calculate the total equivalent length.